Hey, look here. We have some blank rows in our data. What exactly is the issue with that? If we try and do an auto sum, this is not good. What about a simple A to Z sort by department? Okay, we have a problem here. If our data range is quite small, we can use the Control key, select all of the blank rows, right-click and choose Delete. Select all our data, find and select, and this one is going to be special. We want to find the blanks. And then use this delete button over here and choose to delete the rows. We can switch on our filters, choose any column that we like, filter to only show the blanks. Check out the row numbers. Select the rows that are blue. Right-click and delete. Take off our filter and boom. Select all of our data. Do an A to Z sort on any column. And Excel will put the blank rows at the bottom. And you guessed it, select the rows, right click and delete. Boom shakala.